do you have to live in the USA for the whole 5 years when holding a green card? You have to live in the United States. If you're a green card holder, you have to be a resident of the United States living here. Now, you could travel and stuff like that, but if you're living outside of the United States, that breaks your continuous residence here for citizenship. And if you're constantly outside the United States, they may question whether you are really a green card holder or using the green card as a tourist visa just to come temporarily. So it's recommended that once you are issued a green card, you start living here. Now, I have a case right now I'm going to file tomorrow, which is a person who got their green card through their mother, but they're in university overseas, and they can't just come and live here immediately. So they entered, got the green card, and we're filing for what's called a re-entry permit that gives you permission to live outside and be outside for up to 2 years at a time. We just keep renewing it, filing for new ones. But so what the goal is that we get this re-entry permit so the student could go back to their home country and finish their school without having to constantly come back and forth to the United States, because it's expensive, it's a hassle with COVID-19 to get an airplane, that sucks. And we're telling the government beforehand, listen, this person's a student, they need to finish their school, so let them be outside for longer periods of time until that's ready, and then they're going to come back and live here full time. And so we're making that request for a re-entry permit form I-131 tomorrow, and so there are things you could do. But in general, you shouldn't be outside for too much, but being outside, living outside the United States will delay the ability to get citizenship. And under this administration, who knows what kind of other stuff could happen. I'm hearing the craziest things you wouldn't even believe if I told you right now of cases getting denied. And this is like a mind-boggling, the things you would never, it's not even correct, the denials, but they're happening all over the place. So, and that's why you have to have a private consultation. Even with that, you never know what kind of crazy stuff they're going to do to deny a case. But having a lawyer on hand to watch out for it and to contact supervisors, contact people to try to fix it is important to have. That's why you should consult with an attorney. If you find a good one, hire them and work with them.